The Jeep Wrangler?
392. 6.4 V8, 470, 470.
Wow.
Down tuned in states, so the car can keep up the chassis power with the whole engine. Honestly, I wasn't prepared that this car will be this power. I drove it, I swear to God. I drove it. Next day, I bought it.
Really?
2.9 Opel Supercharged. It will kick